I am the remnant of 1,000 historic places. I am the land where tourism meets adventure. I am Attock. Attock Safari Tourist Train welcomes you on a journey where you will witness the wonders of Pakistan. From the amusing Golra railway station to land of Hassan Abdal to Attock. Our journey will be filled with laughter, refreshment for our guests and beautiful views for you to stop by and capture these moments on camera. Let us together unravel the spirit of adventure, trolley rides, hilltop sightseeing, and visit to the historic Attock Bridge awaits you. The Attock Safari Tourist Train is calling you. Would you answer its call? Meet us at the designated Rawalpindi railway station, heading to Golra railway station, where you can visit historic Golra Museum. And start a memorable journey towards Attock railway station every Sunday.